Good afternoon, students, and today we're going to talk about how we can use ChatGPT for idea generation. And so this is part of my series on how to use AI in real writing. And so I'm the author of a book called Writing in the Age of AI, ChatGPT Unleashed by ChatGPT. And so this book is on Amazon, and it went live in January of 2024, and I'm really proud of it. And so if you want to learn more about how to use AI in the age of, how to use writing in the age of AI, and you want to learn how to use ChatGPT, then you can buy my book. Now, today we're going to talk about idea generation. And so how do we generate ideas with AI? And so without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and tell you just that. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model, basically a super-powered digital library that can process tons of information and generate creative text formats. Think of it as a brainstorming buddy who never runs out of ideas. So idea generation with ChatGPT. Here's how to use ChatGPT to jumpstart your creative process. Spark the flame. Give ChatGPT a broad topic related to your writing project. It could be anything from historical fashion trends to ethical dilemmas in technology. ChatGPT will generate a list of interesting ideas and subtopics to explore. Twist it up. Want a fresh perspective? Ask ChatGPT to rephrase your topic in a different light. Try prompts like, what if robots ruled the world? Or, what's the downside of this technology? Mind map magic. Feeling overwhelmed with ideas? Use ChatGPT to create a mind map or brainstorm list. Give it a starting point and let it branch out with connected topics and research avenues. Once you have a bunch of ideas, so building an outline with ChatGPT. Once you have a bunch of ideas, ChatGPT can help you organize these ideas into a clear and concise outline. Simply provide ChatGPT with your key points and ask for an outline format. It can even suggest transitions and logical order for your arguments. Benefits of using AI for brainstorming. Using AI for brainstorming has tons of benefits. It can help you break through writer's block, get past the blank page, and generate fresh ideas you might not have thought of on your own. Explore diverse perspectives. Consider angles and arguments you might have missed. Enrich your writing. Save time and energy. Skip the initial brainstorming struggle and get straight to structuring your thoughts. Remember, while ChatGPT is a fantastic brainstorming tool, remember to evaluate its suggestions critically. Not every idea that ChatGPT gives you will be perfect. So use your own judgment to choose the best ideas from ChatGPT for your project. So ditch the writer's block and embrace the power of AI brainstorming. With ChatGPT as your partner, you'll be well on your way to writing compelling and insightful essays. Get ready to impress your teachers and unleash your inner genius. And so, as I said in a previous video, you can use ChatGPT if you're stuck on an essay and you don't know what it is you want to write about. And you ask ChatGPT, and I know I said these exact words, but for those of you who didn't watch my previous videos, I'll just say it one more time. So you can ask ChatGPT for a list of top essay topics, and you can put in the prompt, give me a essay list, topic list for a persuasive essay. And then ChatGPT will do it for you. So why don't I demonstrate it? Last time I simply talked about it, but this time I'm going to actually show it to you. Let's see if I can do this on demand. ChatGPT, I have to find the one that's ChatGPT. I believe it's that one. So I'm sharing my ChatGPT screen. So here is the prompt area. So if I simply say, give me essay topics for a persuasive essay. So let's say you're stuck And so you type in, well, I don't know what essay topics I want to write about. I'm clueless, right? So you type it in, your request, into ChatGPT, and then you submit it and just watch the magic. Sure, and that gives you a whole bunch of topics that you can choose from. Okay, it gives you 20 different topics. So you can write about the importance of implementing renewable energy sources. You could write about, should college education be free for all? Or the benefits of mandatory voting in democracies. So choose something that you're interested in, okay? And then when you write a persuasive essay, you have to take a side. Either you're for it or against it, okay? So let's say the impact of social media on mental health. So I'll choose the give me 3 reasons why social media harms young children. So I've already taken a side. I've already decided that I'm against social media, but I want 3 reasons for my body paragraphs. So here I can have, and this will help me flesh out what my body paragraphs will be. So then I could write about, in my body paragraphs, I could say topic, social media, and then opinion has an adverse effect on children. In other words, too much social media is not good for children because, and then these become the 3 reasons. The negative impact on mental health. Social media platforms can contribute to feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. Then reason 2, addictive behavior and reduced productivity. And then reason number 3, exposure to inappropriate content and online predators. So this could be paragraph 2. Paragraph 3 would be, this would be paragraph 3, and this would be paragraph 4. So then if you wanted it to, if you're still stuck on how you can put all of this together, then you can write me an outline about the harmful effects of social media on children. And then make sure it's 5 paragraphs. And place the thesis as the last sentence of the introduction and the first sentence of the conclusion. And so all of this is still, we're still in the pre-writing stage of our essay because we're still trying to figure out what is our outline. And so we can use ChatGPT for brainstorming, for coming up with ideas and writing an outline. So here you would write in your prompt, write me an outline about the harmful effects of social media on children. Make sure it is 5 paragraphs, and then make sure you place the thesis statement as the last sentence of the first paragraph and the first sentence of the last paragraph. And so that would be the 5 paragraph essay structure. So here you press submit, and then it will give you an excellent outline from which you can draft your paper. I'm always amazed at how fast, I mean, it just does it in seconds. That, blows my mind. No matter how many times I watch ChatGPT do it, I could never think that fast. So you can then, in your introduction, you would write about the harmful effects, the 5 background sentences. Then you have your 3 reasons. You always place your 3 reasons into your thesis statement, and then you write the 3 reasons from your thesis statement for the 3 reasons of your body paragraphs, because your thesis statement is the summary of your body paragraphs in 1 sentence. And so this is the correct structure for an essay. And then in your conclusion, you restate the thesis statement and you summarize the essay. And that's it. And you're done. And so that's how you can use ChatGPT for the pre-writing stage of the writing process. And so if you want to learn more about how to use ChatGPT in writing, you can buy my book, Writing in the Age of AI, ChatGPT, Unleashed by ChatGPT, and you can buy it on Amazon. And if you like my writing channel, the Professor H Writing channel, don't forget to subscribe to my writing channel for more of these videos. And if you have any questions, if you're in any of my classes, feel free to email me at any time. And have a good day.